Welcome to Product Critique. In today's video, we're reviewing what is hands down the best magnetic mailbox flag available right now. The No Tools Needed Weatherproof Mailbox Flag Replacement by MCCHJoy. If you're looking for a hassle-free, reliable, and weather-resistant solution to replace your worn-out mailbox flag, stay with us for the next few minutes as we break down everything you need to know. Let's start with what makes this product stand out. Right out of the box, you get a pack of 2 replacement flags. That's great value if you have more than one mailbox or just want a backup. The first thing you'll notice is the flag itself, a bold, bright red color designed to grab attention. But it's not just about looks. This flag is made from heavy-duty plastic that's specifically built to withstand all weather conditions. Whether you're in a snowy state or facing year-round sunshine, this mailbox flag won't fade, warp, or crack. Now let's talk about installation. This is where this product truly earns its reputation. As the name suggests, no tools are needed, although you do get 2 installation options. If you prefer a drill-free solution, it comes equipped with ultra-strong 3M Extreme Outdoor Mounting Tape. Just peel, press firmly, and stick it onto any flat, smooth surface like a metal or plastic mailbox. For those who need a more permanent fixture, especially on brick mailboxes, screws are also included. This kind of flexibility in installation makes it suitable for almost any home. Once installed, the flag has a really satisfying feel when you use it. It's designed with a round grab button that makes it easy to lift. When raised, it gives a noticeable click, which means it's securely in place. That small detail ensures it stays up, signaling clearly to your mail carrier that there's outgoing mail. It's smooth, it's simple, and it works every time. But this product isn't just about utility. It also adds a nice visual upgrade to your mailbox. Whether you're sprucing up your mailbox for the fall season or just want something a little more stylish and functional, this flag gives your setup a clean, finished look. It's a simple update that actually improves the day-to-day function of your mailbox while also adding a decorative touch. If you've ever struggled with rusty or broken flags, or if your mailbox just didn't come with one to begin with, this replacement set solves that problem instantly. It's durable, easy to install, and most importantly, it works in all weather, all year round. So who is this for? Honestly, anyone with a residential mailbox, whether it's metal, plastic, or even mounted on brick. It's also great for parents who want to upgrade their kids' decorative mailboxes or even those with custom post-mounted boxes. And because it's a 2-pack, you're always covered. That wraps up today's review of the No Tools Needed Weatherproof Mailbox Flag Replacement. It's reliable, simple to install, built to last, and it's our pick for the best magnetic mailbox flag on the market. If you want to check it out, the link is in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more smart product reviews here on Product Critique. See you in the next one.